Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. So today's topic is Dr. Jitendra Singh, MOS, PMO, PP, G&P will also inaugurate exhibitions of pension disbursing banks. In line with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister to enhance the ease of living for pensioners and family pensioners, the Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare, Government of India has introduced several progressive measures in pension policy and the digitization of pension related processes. As part of these ongoing efforts, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Minister of State for Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, shall inaugurate the 58th Pre-Retirement Counseling Workshop organized by DOPPW. The workshop is scheduled to be held on 29th December 2025 at Pune, Maharashtra. The workshop being held for the benefit of retiring employees of the Government of India is a revolutionary step in direction of ease of living of the pensioners. In order to facilitate the smooth transition of the retiring employees, various sessions on retirement benefits, CGHS, investment modes, Bhavishya portal, integrated pensioners portal, family pension, CPEN grams, Anubhav and digital life certificate etc. will be conducted. It is expected that 350 retirements presently posted across the state of Maharashtra and due to retire in the next 12 months will benefit hugely from this pre-retirement counseling workshop. Apart from the above PRC, the department will conduct a pensioners awareness program for the benefit of retired officials. The department will also be conducting 11 bankers awareness program for pension disbursing banks. The object of these workshops is to spread awareness of the various rules and procedures relevant for pension disbursing banks or retires. An exhibition of pension disbursing banks will also be set up during the 58th PRC workshop, wherein multiple banks will be actively participating. The pensioner related banking services will be made available to the participants. Banks will also guide the retirees on opening a pension account and investment of pension corpus in various schemes suitable to them. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.